Now, we had some really strong winds yesterday, and basically anything that's top heavy or still in full leaf is at risk from the wind. Now this, I should have moved, like I did with all my pots at the front of the house, which I moved to a sheltered area, and then put the Volvo in front of it just to make sure. Here's a classic example for you. These Cosmos have just danced around in the wind no matter how strong it got. Whereas this Cosmos, which is a lot more bushy with more leaves on it, was broken right at the roots, even though it was tethered. And I'm afraid it's going to the compost. So there you go then. Take that as a warning. When we do high winds, have a wander around your garden and just make sure everything's going to be all right. Unlike me. But having said that, I'm no gardener.